Hi everyone and welcome! In this video we're going to repair this MHz display module. The model number is K-568 and is well documented in -0degrees.net. The issue with it is that it doesn't light up. Let's power it on by connecting the G pin to ground and the 5V pin to 5V. And yeah, it's not lighting up at all. This is strange because this module is one of the really basic ones with just passive components, the LED display and one resistor. The configuration jumpers seem to be populated, so something should light up. Oh, and by the way, for a quick video on how to configure such displays, feel free to check out one of my older videos, link in the description. A common failure for such displays is for some of the LED segments going bad, but it's really uncommon for all of them to go bad at once. Let's zoom into the resistor. This looks like a half-watt resistor and it's baked. Let's confirm that it's bad by checking its resistance with a multimeter. And yeah, it's open circuit. Let's confirm that the display is not completely dead by bypassing the bad resistor with a new 100 ohm resistor in parallel. And yeah, some segments of the display light up. Good! Now the tricky part is that we don't have access to the solder joints of the resistor since they are covered by the display. So we'll have to remove it from this side. We can add some solder to the pins while pulling the resistor. It's not taking solder. Let me try the other side. And yeah, I think I lifted the pad. It would have probably worked better if I had cut the resistor leads before attempting to desolder them. The component tester shows that the resistor is indeed bad. I'm going to replace it with one 100 ohm quarter watt resistor. I measured the current off camera and it's about 30 mA, which is within the power rating of the resistor because it will be consuming less than 100 mW. I also like that it's not as bright as before, but if you prefer a brighter display, you need to use a smaller value, like a 50 ohm half watt part. I'm not sure that the lifted trace is soldered properly, so let's check for continuity. Yeah, it looks okay. Let's power it on. And yeah, it works. Let's put it back together. And yeah, it works just fine. Yeah, this is indeed a Pentium branded case. I'm happy that the MHz display is working again. It'll make the Baby 80 case look a tiny bit cooler. Oh, and if you're looking for a reproduction of this K-568 display, I have designed one and have made it available on GitHub. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, thanks for watching and goodbye.